Hello and welcome in the first episode out of 3 or 4 episodes about Inte.Team. That's why I took off this t-shirt. Okay, let's make it with the first I should be with a capital letter. And I would like to tell you about our project. It's something great. It's something awesome. People love when they hear about it. They just love it. So hopefully you don't mind spending another 5 minutes on this video, so that you can be aware of what we're doing and why it's important to have it. Okay, so out of the introduction, you'll have stamps. I'm trying to add timestamps so you can see the chapter. So let's talk first about what it is Inte.Team, because it's not only the Screen Protector YouTube channel, it's more than that. So Inte.Team website is developed while we speak. And the first problem which we're facing is showing to people that together by integrity we can make this world a better place. I wrote that we are fighting for the right to repair and for the Intecracy. Okay, so how we want to fight? Well, we don't want to fight. we don't want to fight. All we want is to show to people that we are pretty much in a really bad position. We went from the mechanical faults into the software faults, yes, and now from software faults and mechanical faults we're going into marrying components one to another. So always there is a way to cheat, yes, to cheat us, you and me. Now the whole idea is to stop it by creating fixable electronics. Imagine yourself having 1 million customers as suppliers, as service providers, as a client who are taking these services, yes, and customers at our e-commerce web store and affiliate links and everything what we're doing. Inte.Team will get a total of 1 million total people who are supporting Inte.Team, and we can use these funds to produce fixable electronics in several stages that will take effect, but you know, we don't have even LTD yet, it's only my self-employment, so it will take some time. Yes, it's not only happening in the UK, we've got other countries involved as well, different countries in a different stage. Some of them are keeping quiet because we want to see if somebody will try to stop us first. If so, we have got different approaches for different countries. Now what it is that Inte.Team won't have a profit. All the profits are going towards creating as great projects are the right to repair is. The next project, if we will tackle this one sometime in the future, when we will do it, is building vertical farms and building healthy foods. Yes, healthier food that we have today without pesticides. Yes, so you see, so we can do a lot. Yes, but we can't do it on our own. We need your help. Okay, so by using those services, which I will talk about in the next episodes, we can help each other. So the projects which we're doing, it's bookrepair.online.co.uk, and on this website, I'll show you this website in the next episode. I can tell you only that we've got the best top niche software for all the repair shops. We want to train people to learn fixing electronics, all sorts, and IT, and then we want those people to use it as their own go-to software when they are doing these professions, and they can get customers, including from us, but not only. Yes, so on Book Repair Online we will use custom domains, and that can be in their name, whereas on the Inte.Team website they can be visible and search through the search result. Yes, so that's what the idea is. So Book Repair is segregating each repair shop on their own with their own name. Inte.Team is to integrate all those repair shops. But guys, because I promised that those videos won't be taking longer you more than 5 minutes, you can call it a day. So thank you guys for watching. Keep in mind I'm trying to add timestamps, so thank you. If possible, let's fix them all, and in the next episode, part 2, we will learn how Book Repair Online is looking from the inside. Bye bye.